These are exercise examples at home. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. Let's get strong ankles with mobility exercises. Let's start with some stretches that you can incorporate into your daily life. Now the ankle has 4 different types of motion: plantar flexion, dorsiflexion, inversion, and eversion. You want to make sure that you're taking the time to put the ankle in all 4 positions to get it used to going out of alignment. This kneeling position, or this sit-back position, is a way that you can work on your ankle's flexibility while incorporating plantar flexion. You can do it statically, which means that you're sitting still, or you can add a little bit of a dynamic motion by rocking side to side. See if you can accumulate at least 2 minutes in this position in order to create some adaptation and change. Now this next movement is going to work on your ankle's dorsiflexion. So to perform this dynamic stretch, you're going to go in a half kneeling position and you're going to rock front to back with your body. This is a pulse hold method, so that means that you're going to rock front to back about 12 times. On the 12th time, you're going to hold that stretching position and you're going to sit there for at least 30 seconds to a minute. Repeat that 3 to 4 times on each side. Now I'm going to begin to put some pressure on my ankle with inversion and eversion. So you can see as I'm sitting in this position, I'm beginning to work on both sides of that flexibility. Inversion, eversion. This way is inversion, that way is eversion. Make sure you take a little bit of time to press down and create some stimulation. Again, try to spend at least 2 minutes doing this type of dynamic stretch. And if at any point you ever feel any short, sharp pains, make sure you stop immediately. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that way you can learn more ways to incorporate exercise into your daily life. Now let's move on with the exercises for our ankle. Our first exercise is going to be a heel raise. Now you can either use a step. In my case, I'm using a stack of books. Basically anything that will elevate your body. From there, you can hold on to a wall, a countertop, anything that works. And what you'll do is you will raise your ankles by pressing the balls of your feet into the object. You're going to hold at the top for a second or 2. Then you're going to come back down nice and slow for about 5 seconds and pause at the bottom. Exhale as you raise your heels back up, pausing at the top, taking about 4 to 5 seconds to come back down and pause at the bottom. You're going to repeat this 12 repetitions for 3 sets. Now when you do this heel raise, you can do it 3 different ways. You can have your feet parallel to each other, you can turn your heels out, and you can also have your heels facing each other. It's the same concept. You want to do about 12 repetitions with all 3 positions. Also, be sure to check the description down below. I have an Amazon affiliate link to the yoga mat that you're seeing in this video. It's great. I would totally recommend it. So if you need a yoga mat, make sure you click on the link down below. It's a great way to help support my channel. All right, so our last exercise is going to work our dorsiflexion, which will work the shins. This one's nice and easy. You're going to lean against the wall, putting your back up against the wall. From here, you're going to keep your heels firmly placed into the ground, and you're going to lift your toes up into the air. Just like we did with our heel raises, you're going to pause at the top for about a second, and you're going to come down nice and slow. Then you're going to come right back up again, no pause at the bottom with this one. With this movement, you want to do 12 repetitions for 3 sets. Like I said before, if you ever feel any sharp pains at any point, make sure you stop and also consult your physician before starting any exercise program if it's new to you. Guys, make sure you click on the videos that are up above right now so you can learn more ways to incorporate exercise into your everyday life. As always, this is Joey saying be kind to one another and move well. Peace.